Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking into this, which is how to improve your booking.com ranking and boost property visibility. So for you to be able to improve your booking.com ranking and also boost your property visibility, here's a simple trick and straightforward guide on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to keep your calendar updated. So always make sure your date are correct so guests can see when your properties is available, and also upload a high quality pictures of every room and the outside. Good photos help attract more booking. Next thing to do is to ask happy guests to leave review. More positive review help your property rank higher, and also you can check what other similar properties charge and set a competitive price to attract more guests. Also, you can enable instant booking. So turn on instant booking so guests can book right away, and also it helps improve visibility in search results. You can also join the booking.com genius program to reach frequent travelers and get more exposure. You can as well as use the promotional deals, so add special offer or discounts like last minute or mobile only deals to access in more search. And as well, you can also answer messages fast. A quick response rate improve your ranking and also build trust. You can also fill out all details, which is photo, visibility, facility, nearby attraction, a complete profile rank higher. And also you can use the visibility booster. So go to the opportunities tab and use the visibility booster to appear higher during busy seasons, and that's how you can easily improve your booking.com ranking and boost property visibility. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.